Encryption in wireless networking. This topic explains how encryption protects data transmitted over Wi-Fi from being read by unauthorized parties. Think of it like sending a locked letter where only the right key can open it. When enabled, encryption scrambles data, so it's meaningless to anyone without the correct decryption key. Common Wi-Fi encryption standards include WPA2 and WPA3, replacing older, less secure methods like WEP. WPA2 uses AES encryption, while WPA3 adds stronger protections against password guessing. Without encryption, nearby attackers can intercept and read network traffic easily. Strong encryption ensures privacy, integrity, and security for wireless communications. It's critical for safeguarding personal information, business data, and preventing unauthorized network access. Always pair encryption with strong authentication to maximize wireless network security.